Hey guys, my name is Arya and welcome to my channel, The Pristine Nook. Today we're going to be talking about 10 tips on how to keep your house clean. I'd like to add that these 10 methods are something that I implement on a regular basis in order to keep my house clean and things in order. Tip number 1 would be to make your bed. Spending a few extra minutes and making your bed every morning instantly changes the way your room looks. Tip number 2 would be to purge or declutter. Declutter the less important things in your house on a regular basis in order to make space for something that could be of use to you. This way, not only will your house look organized, but it will also reduce your stress when it comes to cleaning. If the things are in a good condition, you can either donate them or sell them. Tip number 3 is to clean up the kitchen after you've used it. The kitchen tends to get messy and the countertops cluttered after every cooking session, and this tends to happen throughout the day when we use the kitchen. So just to make life simpler, put all the spice canisters and the other stuff that you may have pulled out from the pantry back to where it belongs. Also, spraying and wiping down the countertops after every use keeps them looking clean and fresh. Tip number 4 would be to clear the dishes. Make sure you clear the dishes off the countertops as soon as they start to accumulate, either by hand washing them or by putting them in the dishwasher ready to be rinsed at night or whenever the dishwasher is full. Tip number 5 for me is the absolute golden rule, and that is to keep up with my laundry. I do my laundry twice a week. This helps me stay organized and on track, and also avoids me walking into a huge pile of clothes when I enter the laundry room. Tip number 6 would be to avoid putting off chores. Housework can be boring and strenuous, but doing a chore straight away can lead to a clean and organized looking home. Tip number 7 would be to give everything in your house a place to live. Having a home for everything in your house encourages you to pick that item off the floor and put it to where it belongs. This really helps when you have to organize your house in a few minutes, or if you have friends coming over and need to clean your space quickly. Tip number 8 would be to wipe down all the furniture and appliances in your house every week. I give the furniture in my house and also the electronic appliances a good wipe down once a week to avoid them from looking dusty. This not only makes sure that the surfaces you use or work on are clean, but it also adds to the overall look of the house. Tip number 9 would be to clean the traffic areas of your house daily. The high traffic areas tend to attract a lot of dust on a daily basis, so vacuuming them at the end of every night leaves you with clean floors and a clean space to wake up to the next morning. Tip number 10 would be to keep your shoes out. I try not bringing the shoes into the home because it would bring the dust and dirt along with it. So instead what I do is I just change my shoes, take them off and put them away in the garage as I enter, and then change into a separate set of footwear that I have exclusively for use in the house. Lastly, I'd like to say if you've liked this video, please do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it. Thank you for watching this video, guys, and I shall be back with more such videos for you. Until then, take care. Bye bye.